everyone, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Jessica and I'm the Director of Children's Services here at the Spartanburg County Public Library. Today I'm here to tell you a little bit about our winter pick-me-up kits. These are available at all of our 10 library locations, including our most recently opened Inman Library. They'll be available starting on December 19th in our first come, first serve. Well, inside these boxes are pretty cool activities that hopefully will keep you busy during the winter holiday. We have DIY slap bracelets, instant snow, a snowman pop, snowflake necklace, and perler bead ornaments to make today. So feel free to join me and follow along as we make these together. Okay, so I've got my little kit all ready and open. On the inside of it are instructions, so we can open those up and read them, or we can set them aside and make it however we really want to. But inside the kit, you've got your very own bell. Kind of reminds me of the Polar Express. Did you hear it? And we've got our string. And a variety of different beads. Oh, and 2 little bells. How about that? Okay, so I cannot wait to make this. Let's go ahead and do it together. So the first thing I'm probably going to put on is the bell, because that'll go right in the middle. Here we go. Maybe we are doing a little bit of math. I did talk about patterns earlier, didn't I? I think I might do a pattern with this as well. Okay, so I'll start with white, blue, light blue, white, blue, light blue. And probably squeeze a little bell in between the light blue and the white. Okay, and I'll do the same on the other side. White, dark blue, light blue, bell, and then white, dark blue, light blue, and these are our little closing. So, okay, I think we're ready. So I'm gonna string these together, and I can't wait to see yours. Here we go, ready? So as I'm tying the knot, this is something that you might need a grown-up's help with a little bit. I'm trying to do it at the very topmost part of the string to make sure when I close it, it won't be too messed up, so it'll be able to close pretty easily. Okay, let's do the other one. All right. You want to tighten it really tight so that your necklace stays together. There you go. And the knot just holds on tight right here and disappears. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's try it on. You ready? Grab yours. Here we go. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. I love it. This is so beautiful. And this could be a gift too. Could be a gift for yourself. Could be a gift for someone you love. All right, let's check on our bracelet over here. Ooh, it's gotten a lot drier, and it really does have this really cool tie-dye effect on it. I love it. Oh, you guys are gonna love it. Oh, and there's also a back side of the bracelet that you can color on too. So, all right, let me put it on. Let's see. So what you do with the slap bracelet is something you probably know well, is slap. How does that look? Good, right? Very impressive. I can't wait to see yours at the library. Okay, so we're on to our next activity. What should we do next? I kind of want to make the snow. What about you? The snow seems so much fun. Okay, let me grab my kit and we'll make the snow next. Ready?